Hey folks, I'm attorney Ben Schwartz. Today we are going to answer a viewer question. This is from Kevin in Middletown, Delaware. Basically, Kevin wrote in and he said that he was involved in a car accident in the state of Delaware. He had his dog with him in the car. Both Kevin and his dog were injured in the accident. Kevin's medical treatment got paid for, the dog's did not, and he's having a very hard time getting the dog's veterinary care paid for after the car accident. And so he asked, why is it that a person's medical treatment can get covered by insurance, but a dog's medical treatment cannot get covered by insurance? And it's a very good question. It's a situation that comes up from time to time. It's really not uncommon, and I'll do my best to answer it as best I can. So the deal is, if you're driving or riding in a car and the car is registered in the state of Delaware, insured in the state of Delaware, then one of the types of insurance on that car, mandatory types of insurance on that car, is going to be personal injury protection insurance, or PIP for short. One of the things that PIP pays for is medical treatment for an occupant of the vehicle, a human occupant of the vehicle, not an animal occupant of the vehicle. So, of course, Kevin, if you're driving in your car, you live in Middletown, Delaware, your car is registered in Delaware, it's insured in Delaware, then your insurance company sold you PIP insurance, and so your hospital bills, your doctor visits, the bill for your physical therapy is all getting paid for by your auto insurance. The problem is that PIP isn't providing coverage for the veterinary treatment, for the cost of the veterinary treatment for the dog. And the reason is because the dog's not a person. Under Delaware law, a dog or a pet is considered personal property. And so the personal injury protection, the PIP insurance, is not going to cover it. To make matters worse, under Delaware law, in a personal property claim, in a lawsuit case where you're claiming the value of your personal property, you're limited to the fair market value of the property. So if you have a situation where you've got a shelter dog and you went to the SPCA, you got your dog might be your best friend, but under Delaware law, that is a $100 article of personal property. And if you've got $1,700 of vet bills, that exceeds what you can claim as a matter of Delaware law in a personal property claim. And so it creates this terrible situation where the law does not really make provision for how to get those vet bills paid, which I think that's a terrible situation. Dogs are man's best friend. I know some people out there on the internet are going to see this and say, no, cats are man's best friend. No, they're really not. Dogs are man's best friend. And so I think the law should be changed or modified to make some provision to pay for vet bills after a car accident, after your dog is injured in a car accident. Folks, if you're watching this video, I'd be interested to know what you think, how you feel about this topic. I'd be interested to know what you think could be done to improve the situation for dogs who are injured in car accidents and for dog owners whose animals are injured in car accidents and who get stuck footing the bill for the veterinary care and treatment. It's an unfortunate situation, but it's something that I think hopefully you'll watch this video, say this is a conversation starter. Something needs to be done, something can be done. It's just a question of what is it that has to get done in order to fix this bad situation. I'm attorney Ben Schwartz. Please leave a comment on this video or send me an email. My email address is ben.schwartz@schwartzandschwartz.com. Thanks for watching.